doing it. Do it again. What are you doing? Why are you in the sink? You're so cute. Hello. Oh, you're so cute. My phone is about to die, but me and Wesley are getting a new apartment, and I'm really excited. So I wanted to vlog it before we move in all the way. Hi, love. And a beautiful bathroom. Light. And a huge closet. And the best part, we now have a washer and dryer. And the bedroom. Do you like it? Stand in the kitchen, you look beautiful. No, I meant in the kitchen. Or actually, open the pantry for me so I can see. Oh, magnificence. Beautiful. Oh, yeah, do that again. Yeah. Is there a lot of shelves in there? Yeah. I'm excited. And the balcony is really pretty. I'm not gonna show out, but it's really big and like crooked. Ah! Hey, CP. Hi. Oh, so cute. Hi, Boofer. Hey. Oh, so cute. What? Are you offended? I pet you? You not like it? No. Mean, mean. Mean, mean. Oh, oh. Oh, you want a bite? Yep. Every time. Blip, 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 blip. The babies are finally exploring, both of them. Bean has been yodeling this whole time. And now both of them came outside. Hi, baby. Aw, he's still hissing at everything though. Booper. Oh, hi, Bean. Hi, baby. Has been a real grumpy butt, but I put together the cat tower so now he has somewhere to hide. He's being really mean, and he's been swatting at Bean. The poor baby, she's like, I did nothing wrong. I did nothing wrong. You feel like you're at home now, Booper? You boofer butt. You thinker butt. Hi. Hi, baby boy. You're so mad. You're so cute though. So my little handsome man. You're so handsome. So, not too bad right now. But we have to get a new couch because while moving, it started raining like really bad. So our couch got ruined. So, we have no couch. I look like a hot mess. And it's really echoey in here. Very sorry. Ooh, there's something sparkly outside. Sorry. It's been a long time. Like, I haven't even gotten my Austin trip vlog up. And I haven't been vlogging at all. So I felt like I needed to do some updates because I'm in a new apartment now. And I got some footage of us when we were moving in. But I wanted to like vlog this because I want to remember this part. I am okay, can you see? I am making the veil for my friend's wedding, and this is let me turn you guys around. This is actually lace from her mom's wedding dress, and she wanted to use some of it, you know, have something of her mom's in her wedding, so I'm making her veil for her with lace from her mom's wedding dress, and it's gonna be so pretty and I could cry. It's beautiful. Let me do a tour of the apartment as of right now. It's not fully furnished. When we were moving, it rained really bad and we weren't prepared for like a blanket of water to come down, so our couch got destroyed and our dresser got destroyed. So we're decorating a lot. And also we want to feel comfortable in this apartment, so we're going to start actually getting stuff that we love so we can move on with it instead of just getting the cheapest furniture we can find and throwing it out when we're done. So I'm at the door and I can't show down here because the trash can is full, but this is the living room. You know, when you walk in you see the kitchen, and we're gonna have all this cute little like botanical kind of stuff and garden and vegetable kind of stuff. Look how cute these towels are. And this little tea kettle. It's the cutest little tea kettle ever. And I've got some pictures coming in that have mushrooms on them. I used to have this nightlight in the bathroom. It's kind of weird now. It's in the kitchen. It's clean, I promise. But it's gonna go with all the mushrooms and plants and stuff. And then we just ordered a couch, which will be going there. It's gonna be a sectional couch with an ottoman right there, hopefully, if it fits. That's where I've got my desk. And then, obviously, TV and cat tower. We're getting a new one of those because look at how bad this is. And I don't know if I still have the video up, but I did an unboxing video of this cat tower. I bought it on Amazon for like $79 or $74, something like that. Super cheap. So it lasted a long time. I don't remember how long it's been, but it's good. We have a little entryway thingy here with a closet, and we got this pretty hall table to put our mess of shoes underneath and our whiteboard here. And the bathroom is here with slidey doors. Fun stuff. Oh, stop. Stay open. It won't. This is the best shower curtain you will ever see. It is a cat knight riding a narwhal. It's beautiful. And you'd think with such a big bathroom they would have had room to like put a a closet, you know, for your towels and stuff. But all they had in here was this, and it just was not enough space. So we got this little table thingy cabinet with our towels in it. And I want to get red towels to match the night. And we're gonna put the washcloths in this little crown because I thought it was cute. Little box there. We got a pool box that's actually closed in. Still have this thing. I don't know if you guys ever saw that in the old apartment, but it's there. I'm hearing weird noises. Ignore the trash can. I'm scared. Weird noises. What is it? Okay, so we put our bookshelf in the hallway here. And it's a really messy closet, so I'm not even gonna bother with that. We've got a laundry room now. Very exciting. We can finally do laundry in our home. And then the bedroom, which is very empty right now. Messy bed. And then Wesley's computer. And it's funny, this side of the apartment feels like our old apartment. We had moved into that tiny, teeny tiny one bedroom to save money before we moved into an apartment like this. And it was so tiny that, like, we got used to being around each other. So sometimes when I'm out in the living room doing stuff, I get lonely and I'll just come and sit right here, in here, because it's quieter and cozier. And now I'm home alone by myself right now, so it's even quieter. So now I'm talking to you, so I don't feel like... Pooper! Hi! And I really think the cats like it in here because they have room to run and spaz and be kitties. They didn't have a lot of space before. And Bean gets to go outside again. We got her some cat grass, so she gets to go outside and roll around. Bofer doesn't like to go outside, I don't know why. Booper! Hey, come say hi. Oh, sweet boy. Hello, Boops. Boops. I'm almost done.